Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 5 and we will be presenting our project titled Jasmine Online Bookstore. My name is Dwina Zedina.
My name is Maula Risadina.
System Analysis. In this implementation of IT in Jasmine Online Bookstore, we plan a manufacture of flowchart, pseudocode, and dry run. Flowchart. This is the flowchart of the main menu. At the start, it will be processed with the character, then display. Welcome, non-fiction to non-fiction, please choose. In this flowchart, there are 6 decisions. First one is n product equal 1? If the answer is yes, then the products that are selected are fiction. If the answer is no, it will be general question. Is n product equal 2? If the answer is yes, the product that are selected is non-fiction. But if the answer is no, then it will be back to the display. Then another purchase. If the answer is yes, it will go back to the main menu. If the answer is no, then it will exit. This is the flowchart for the fiction. It was almost the same as the previous flowchart. There are 8 decisions in this flowchart. And this is the flowchart for the non-fiction. The flowchart are almost the same with the previous one, and there is also 8 decisions in this flowchart. And let's see the flowchart for payment. There's only 6 decisions in this flowchart.
I will explain the pseudocode of the project I made with the title Jasmine Online Bookstore. First, I will explain what pseudocode. Pseudocode is a concise, informal, high-level description of computer programming algorithm that uses the structural convention of programming language and is intended to be read by humans and not by machines. This is the pseudocode of our project. System process declaring module, procedure main program, procedure main menu, and procedure payment. System process main program begin, display splash screen, call main menu, end. System process main menu, PRC main menu, begin, numeric product, character choose, begin, display welcome, display fiction, display to non-fiction, display please choose. Except product, switch product, begin, case 1, call PRC fiction, case 2, call PRC non-fiction, default error, and display another case, except choose, if choose big Y, or choose equals small y, begin, call PRC main menu, and else begin, call PRC exit, end. PRC fiction, begin, numeric fiction genre, information 1, choose 1, procedure PRC payment, PRC main menu, begin, display fiction genre, display 1 comedy, display 2 romance, display 3 horror, display please choose. Except fiction genre, switch and fiction genre, begin, case 1, display the genre is comedy, case 2, display the genre is romance, case 3, display the genre is horror. Default error, and display, please choose the version, display ABC, display fill in the version, accept information 1, display are you sure about your choice, display type Y to buy or N to return to the main menu, please choose one, accept choose one, if choose one equals big Y, or choose one equals Y, a small y, begin call PRC main payment, and else begin call PRC main menu, and N. PRC nonfiction, begin numeric nonfiction genre, character information 2, choose 2, procedure PRC payment, PRC main menu, begin. Display nonfiction genre, display 1 encyclopedia, display 2 biography, display 3 knowledge, display list choose. Accept nonfiction genre, switch nonfiction genre, begin, case 1, display the genre is encyclopedia, case 3, display the genre is biography, case 3, display the genre is knowledge. Default error, and display, please choose the version, display ABC, display fill in the version, accept information 2, display are you sure about your choice, display type Y to buy or N to return to the main menu, accept choose 2, if choose 2 equals big Y, or choose 2 equals small y. Begin call payment, and else begin call PRC main menu, and PRC payment, begin, numeric and payment, price, total, fiction, non-fiction, information, character comment, information procedure PRC main menu, PRC exit, begin, display total payment, display fiction, plus in fiction genre, or see information 1. Display non-fiction, plus non-fiction genre, information 2. Total equals price 1 plus price 2. Display the total price to be paid is plus total. Display select the payment method. Display type 1 for cash. Display type 2 for debit. Accept payment, switch payment, begin, case 1, display the payment method is cash. Case 2, display the payment method is debit. Default error, and display thank you for shopping at Jasmine Bookstore. Who you like to return to the menu? Display type Y for back to main menu, or N for exit. Accept comment, if comment equals big Y, or comment equals small y. Begin, call PRC main menu, and else begin PRC exit, and N. Next is dry run. Dry run is testing the algorithm to find out whether the solution is correct or not, running a computer program by intentionally inputting incorrect data. Here is the dry run of our group. Dry run table of product. Product is product equals 1. Output PRC fiction. Dry run of choose in main menu. Choose is choose big equals big Y or small y. Output PRC main menu. Dry run table of fiction genre. Fiction genre is fiction genre equals 1. Output the genre is comedy. Dry run of fiction version. information 1. Information 1 output A. Dry run of choose in fiction. Choose 1 is choose 1 equals big Y or small y. Output PRC payment. Dry run table of non-fiction genre. Non-fiction genre is non-fiction genre equals 1. Output the genre is encyclopedia. Dry run of non-fiction version. Information 2. Information 2 output A. Dry run of choose in non-fiction. Choose 2 is choose 2 equals big Y or small y. Output PRC payment. Dry run of payment method. Payment is payment equals 1. Output the payment method is cash. Dry run of comment. Comment is comment equals big Y or small y. Output PRC main menu. So many presentation from our group. Thank you.